how to trade in Steam without waiting for 15 days. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to trade in Steam without waiting for 15 days. Alright, so let's begin. But first, to trade in Steam without waiting for 15 days, the only solution is that you should have Steam Guard enabled. So to enable that, what you want to do is go to the Steam icon right here on the top left corner, click on Settings, and then scroll down until you see Security, and then you can access or enable Steam Guard right here. So if the Steam Guard icon is green, that means that both of your email and your Steam Guard is enabled. If it's yellow, it's either your email or your Steam Guard is enabled. So one of those is enabled. And if it's red, none of them are enabled. So make sure that your Steam Guard is green. So that is pretty much it. So that's basically how you can trade in Steam without waiting for 15 days. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.